Hello students. So today in this video we will discuss the third chapter of class 2 EVS, that is India Our Nation. The name of the chapter is India Our Nation. So before we start the chapter, let's see the warm-up question. Take the colors of the Indian flag. So here 5 colors are there and we need to identify which color of our Indian flag is. So this is saffron and this is green. These two colors are there in our Indian flag. India is a vast and beautiful country. It lies in the continent Asia. It is the seventh largest country in the world. It is also one of the most populated countries. So India is a country, it lies in the South Asia. It is the second most populous country and the seventh largest country by land area and the most populous democracy in the world. So in this page, we'll be able to see the map of India. Okay. India is a huge country. It is divided into states and union territories. So it is a huge country, so it is subdivided into 29 states and 7 union territories in the country. New Delhi is the capital of India. Our country is shaped like a triangle. You can see this is shaped like a triangle. Here we can see the list of 29 states of India. Now let's read it out. Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Odisha, Punjab, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Tripura, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal. And these are the union territories of India. There are 7 union territories. Let's read out. Andaman and Nicobar Island, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, New Delhi, Lakshadweep, Puducherry. Neighbors of India. Neighbors are people who live near our house. Similarly, the countries that lie close to or near India are her neighbors. Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Bhutan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Myanmar are India's neighboring countries. So all these countries are India's neighboring countries. Now we'll read about symbol. What is a symbol? A symbol carries meaning which can be represented through a picture or song. Symbols are things that stand for or represent something. National symbols. Symbols that stand for a country are called national symbols. Every country has its own national symbols. The national symbols of India show the unity and strength of our country. We should respect our national symbols. So we should respect our national symbols. National flag. The Indian national flag is hosted on Independence Day and Republic Day. This flag also represents our country in other foreign countries. India's national flag is made of 3 colors: saffron, white, and green. There is a small wheel with 24 spokes in the middle of the flag. So there is also a chakra in the middle of the flag which consists 24 spokes. The national flag is a symbol of freedom and honor. So our national flag is a symbol of freedom and honor. colors of the flag and what they stand for. So the color saffron stands for sacrifice and courage, and the color white in our Indian flag signifies purity and peace, and the color green signifies prosperity. National emblem. National emblem. A national emblem is an object that is used as a badge of a nation. Our national emblem has four lions. Right below the lions is the Ashok Chakra. So here you can see the Ashok Chakra and four lions. Behind it there is another lion. It is this chakra that we find on our national flag. If you look closely, you will see that there is a bull on the right side and a horse on the left side of the chakra. So on the right side there is a bull and on the left side there is a horse. The word Satyameva Jayate, which means truth alone triumphs, are written at the bottom. Satyameva Jayate. The national emblem is also found on our coins and notes. So the coins and notes also we could see our national emblem. This is a symbol. So national animal of India is the tiger is India's national animal and it stands for strength, courage and bravery. They are mainly found in the Sundarban forest in West Bengal. And India's national bird, the peacock is the national bird of India. The bird represents India's beauty and peace. So it represents India's beauty and peace. The peacock spreads out its colorful feathers and dances when it rains. National flower. The lotus is India's national flower. The flower represents purity and love. So, India's national flower is lotus and it represents purity and love. National anthem. An anthem is a song that talks about a country. Jana Gana Mana, written by Rabindranath Tagore, is India's national anthem. We stand still while singing our national anthem. So our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana and it was written by Rabindranath Tagore. And to show respect, we stand still while singing our national anthem. National song is Vande Mataram. It was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Is our national song. Vande Mataram is our national song, and this is the picture of the person Bankim Chandra. And here comes the checkpoint. Let's see. So there are 29 states and 7 union territories in India. Delhi is the capital of India. Our national song is Vande Mataram. Peacock represents India's beauty and peace. And with this, we come to an end of this chapter. Thank you for watching this video.